Hello guys, welcome to K&VR Tech channel. This is Jay Krishna and today we are going to in this video software development. What is the software development and how we steps developing the software. In this video, let's go in this video. Let's see in this video. It is the process of conveying, specifying the designing, programming and testing and fixing and maintaining the applications. It is called software development. It is called software development. Means we programming the one app or else any software we are programming and testing that software and fixing bugs for that software and maintaining that applications. It is called software development. Let's see the next slide. There are three types of softwares. One is system software, programming software, application software. System software we are using in there are systems like Linux and Windows and Mac, etc. And programming software means for programming we are using different editors and like that. There are so many softwares available for programming, Anaconda, etc. like that. Application software means we are using different types of applications in our mobiles and in our laptops and different apps available. For that apps we are using different types of application softwares. There are three types of softwares. Let's see next slide. Difference between software developer and software engineer. As you are a CSC student, you should know what is the difference between software developer and software engineer. Software engineer is nothing but who applies the principle of software engineer for designing and developing and maintaining and testing the computer. Who applies the designing and developing and maintaining. He is called software engineer. Who is called software developer? Who builds the software, runs across the different types of computer. He is called software developer. Who builds the software? He is called software developer. Who uses the software? He is called software engineer. Let's see. You can understand? Yes. Let's see. Key skills for software developer. But you should want to software developer. You should have some skills like mathematical aptitude, problem solving skills and programming languages and excellent organizational time management skills, accuracy and attention to details. Like that we want to some kind of skills we want to have. Let's see some of the examples of softwares. Internet browser, movie player and operating system, games, some different types of games and photoshops. So many photoshops available and applications. There are so many applications we are using. Yes. Generally we follow the steps to develop the software. We follow the steps to develop the software. Let's see the planning. We want to plan the software. Which type of what is the problem in our social distance, and for that problem we are creating for technologically we are creating apps like that, softwares like that. We want to more accurate, like that we want to plan first. And next we want to feasibility analysis, means how that work in the people and how it goes to virally to the people, to the end users, not people, like that. That is the feasibility analysis. Let's see the product design. We want to design the product, different types of modules. We divide the plan and create the product design, and for that design taken into coding part. Here coding part, we take in the coding part and we want to code for that design. It's take too long time, and this is the most compatible time and implementation. Next we want to coding the part, and we want to implement the coding, that debug the code, and we will give to the software testing. This is the software testing team. We will give to the software testing team. Software testing team taken that coding part, and that coding part testing it is working or not, it is any bugs are available, like that they will test this software, and the implementation they deploy the application, and they will maintain so many members, they maintain the applications. And next, in this video we will take the two types of steps, two types of models we taken in this video. One is waterfall model and another one is spiral model. Let's see the waterfall model. Same steps we want to develop the software: requirement analysis and system design and implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. These steps one by one going on process. We see these lines. Yes, these lines, when requirement analysis going on and design is going on, some amount of designer, some idea is came, that they will tell to the requirement analysis team. They will take and in this way, and they will collect the information and they will tell to the system design. Like that they will design and they will give to the implementation part, they will give to the coding part, and then they will test. Like that, here any errors will come, it going to the requirement analysis, and they will come to the designing part and then coding part, and like this going on process, developing and maintaining. If maintenance is any problem will come, they will come to the requirement analysis. Like that it will going on process. Let's see the spiral model. Spiral model is also one of the steps to develop the software. It is the understanding the requirements and designing the system and build the status and test and evaluate. This is the process we is going on circular. These are the steps to develop the software: feasibility study and requirement analysis and design and coding and testing, integrating testing and maintenance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and like, comment, click the bell icon, don't forget that. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see next video how to install the Flutter in your laptop. Thank you.